How to sign out of YouTube account from other devices. So if you want to sign out of your YouTube account from other devices, then you need to open up your Google application because you don't have an option to log out of your YouTube from other devices. You need to do that from your Google account. So open up your Google, tap on the profile which is on the upper right, and then go for manage your Google account, and here you need to swipe right, and then you can go for security, and under security if you scroll down here you may have an option to manage all devices. So under your devices you will have manage all devices, tap on that, and here you will have a brief history in which mobile or laptop or PC you're logged in. So I have been logged into these many sessions. So what you need to do is you need to simply choose the session or mobile in which you would like to sign out. So for example, if I choose this session, now you need to simply go for sign out, which is on the upper side, tap on sign out, and then again tap on sign out. Once you tap on sign out, tap on OK, and that's it. That's how you can remove your Google account. And once you remove your Google account, your YouTube account will automatically be removed from the other device. So that's the only way to remove your YouTube account from other devices. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.